Hi everybody, welcome to a new video by Saqib Iqbal Digital, and in this video we will learn how to add a white border to your image in Canva. So right now I'm in the homepage of Canva and I just need a design. For example, I click on Instagram post care size whose size is 1080 cross 1080 with a ratio of 1:1. So first of all I need a design. So I would come into the Canva photo editor. Okay, there are some prerequisites. First we have to prepare our photo, then we have to add a white border on your image. Okay, so first of all, preparation of image means you need a photo without background. Okay, so what I do now, I just could go to the photos tab and I just search here man. Okay, so there are a number of photos come out there. So for example I choose this and I just close this. So this is the image you need it. For example, this is your image. So what I do first, I just go to the edit image and there is an option of background remover. Remove the background of your photo with one click. So this feature is only available for the pro users, and if you are not pro user, so I have other trick for you. Just go to this website remove.bg. Actually the background remover of images in Canva is sponsored or powered by, actually powered by remove.bg itself. So you can easily upload your photo from here and remove the background of your photo seamlessly. Okay, I come back to here. Okay, so when you remove the background of your photo, there are two options out there. You can easily find these two options on remove.bg too. If I click on erase, so I can easily erase any pixels from my photo, or if I want to restore, so I can also restore the pixels of my photo. So if everything is done, so click on done and click on apply. So first, the first step is done, that you need a background removed photo. Okay, now I change the background color of this design so I can easily understand the changes in my design. Okay, fine. Now what I do now, I just click on this and go to the edit image button and I click on shadows. You can find it easily here, see all. I click on see all option. So there are number of options out there: glow, drop, angle, curved, page lift and backdrop. I click on glow, so it automatically add borders all over your picture. So the glow border is added. Just I have to click here controls. You can find it here. These are the three options, the three lines with the dot, that is the control. Click on control. So there are four options out there. First of all, I change the background color from black to white. Then I increase its size. Yes, now I increase its transparency. Yes, it's fine now. Light decrease one, I have to decrease slightly. Okay, I have to increase or decrease this blurriness. Okay, it's fine. I have to decrease the size furthermore. Now I click on apply. Now you can easily, this is the way how to add this white line on your image in Canva. So this is a very pretty simple and cool method in Canva. You can easily do it. So to go right now, apply to your photo, and this is the perfect way to add on your so if you want to prepare a profile photo for your social media. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for being here. Like this video, comment on this video. If you want any requested video, you can contact me on my social media handles or comment down on this video. Press the bell icon, subscribe to this channel, and see you very soon in the very next video. Thank you so much.